Ever feel like budgeting is this big scary thing that only math wizards can do? Trust me, you're not alone. Numbers can feel like a maze and nobody gave you a map. But here's the thing, you don't need to be Einstein to handle your money. College hits you with expenses from all sides: tuition, food, ride shares, coffee, and those sneaky club dues. It's like getting pelted in a dodgeball game you didn't even sign up for. No wonder it's hard to keep track. Most students aren't careless, they're just overwhelmed. The truth is, most of us were never really taught how to manage money. It's not your fault. Budgeting isn't just about numbers, it's about habits and mindset, and that's something anyone can learn. You don't need to be great at math to be great with money. What you do need is a new way of thinking and a few practical steps that actually work. Forget calculators and start with real-life strategy. It's all about progress, not perfection. Think you need to be a math wizard to stick to a budget in college? Think again, because today, I'm showing you how to win at money without crunching numbers. Hey friends, I'm Sam, and welcome to Sam the Finance channel, where smart money moves start here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for real-world money tips. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Today we're breaking down how to crush college budgeting even if math isn't your thing. I'll walk you through simple, visual, and real-life examples you'll actually get, so grab your coffee and let's dive in. Money's like water, it slips away without you noticing. You buy a snack here, a coffee there, and boom, your wallet's empty before you know it. Don't stress over budgeting categories. Just write down everything you spend for a week, anything at all. Notes app, paper, napkin, whatever works. No math, just honesty. Listen to how you feel. If you say, "I feel broke," that's your inner alarm. Track what makes you feel that way: impulse buys, boredom, stress. Your emotions are budgeting tools too. Emily didn't realize she was spending $120 a month on boba until she saw it written down. That one list helped her cut it out and save a ton. The numbers didn't lie, just writing made it real. Nobody wants to hear the word budget. It feels like punishment, so forget that word. Instead, think of it as a spending plan. You're the boss, and you're just telling your money what to do. Like a commander directing a mission. Sounds better already, right? Your money isn't locked away, it's going on an adventure. A spending plan gives every dollar a purpose, like assigning characters in your game squad. Rent becomes the tank, food the healer, and fun stuff. That's your DPS. Now it's a team effort. Think of your money like pizza. You've only got 8 slices. If 5 go to rent, you've only got 3 left for everything else. Visualizing it helps you get real about what's actually possible and what's just wishful snacking. Keep it simple. Just break things into 3 big groups: needs, wants, and future you. You don't need spreadsheets, just draw it out with colors or sketch it on a napkin. Whatever makes it real to you. Your income's messy. That's okay. College life is full of side hustles, part-time gigs, and unexpected paychecks. It doesn't always come in at the same time or in the same amount, and that's totally normal. What matters is how you manage it. Think like a squirrel. When you earn a lot, don't blow it, stash it. Just like squirrels collect acorns during harvest, you've gotta save during money season for when things slow down. Your future self will thank you. Set your budget based on your lowest income month. This means planning for the worst-case money month, not the best. It might feel like you're being too cautious, but it keeps your essentials covered. Anything extra is a bonus, not a given. When extra money comes in, don't treat it like free candy. Instead of spending it all, tuck it away in your future you jar. That cash could save you during exam season or slow months. Be smart, you'll be glad you saved. Step 4. Save money without feeling poor. You don't have to give up all the fun. You just need to get smarter about what kind of fun you choose. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's about knowing what's worth it. Prioritize the stuff that brings you the most joy without draining your wallet. Let's talk coffee. If you grab a $5 coffee 4 times a week, that's $80 a month. But what if you make it at home twice and only buy it twice? Boom, $40 saved, and you still get your caffeine fix. It's about balance, not denial. Cut the stuff you don't even use. Like, are you really watching that one streaming service? Or still paying for that app? Kill those sneaky costs. Then call your phone company. You'd be surprised how often they'll lower your bill if you just ask nicely. Think of an emergency fund like a parachute. You hope you never need it, but if you do, dang, you're glad you packed it. It's not something that holds you back, it frees you to take risks knowing you're safe. It's not a prison, it's peace of mind. Saving even just $10 a month can be your safety net. It's like stashing away snack money now so future you doesn't have to stress. Don't wait for extra cash, you start small and let it grow. It's a habit that builds your own rescue plan. Give your emergency fund a fun name. It helps remove the fear and makes saving feel less serious. Call it your Oh No Fund or When Life Hits Fund, something that makes you smile. Fun names can turn boring money habits into a little game. Keep your funds somewhere separate but easy to grab in an emergency. A second account, envelope, or a digital wallet does the trick. The goal: out of sight so you don't spend it, but close enough when disaster strikes. Your future self will be grateful for the plan. Credit cards aren't evil, they're tools. Think of them like fire, helpful when controlled, dangerous when misused. A credit card can unlock a lot, but only if you respect its power. Used right, it's your financial sidekick. Don't spend what you don't have. Seriously, pretend your credit card is a debit card. If you don't have the cash, don't swipe. This helps you stay out of the debt trap early on. It's not free money, it's borrowed money with strings attached. Minimum payments mean minimum progress. If you only pay the smallest amount due, you're just feeding the interest monster. The debt stays alive, even grows. Kill it fast, pay as much as you can afford each month. Use it to build credit early. A credit card, when used wisely, can help you later, like getting approved for an apartment, car, or even a job. It's like laying down bricks for your financial castle. The earlier you start smart, the stronger your foundation. Step 7. Make your budget run on autopilot. It's time to stop micromanaging every penny. Use tech to your advantage. Automate transfers to savings, schedule your bill payments, and set calendar reminders to review your money. It's like cruise control for your wallet. Let the system do the work while you focus on life. Set it and forget it. Once your systems are running, you don't need to babysit them. Auto transfer moves money into savings without you thinking about it. AutoPay takes care of bills while you're studying or out with friends. This is the easiest way to stay consistent without stress. Weekly money check-in equals like brushing your teeth. It doesn't need to take long, just 5 minutes every Sunday. Open your banking app, look at what's coming and going, and check your progress. Make it a simple habit that keeps you fresh and in control. Create routines, not rules. Reward yourself. Don't treat budgeting like punishment. Make it a rhythm, not a restriction. And when you hit your goal, yes, celebrate. Small rewards keep motivation high and budgeting fun. You don't need to love math, you need to understand where your money's going. Build a basic plan and stay consistent. Track your spending, create a simple plan. Think like a squirrel, save without starving, and treat credit cards with respect. Budgeting isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional even if you stink at math. If you learned even one thing today, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a fellow college student. Got a money struggle or tip of your own? Drop it in the comments, I read everyone. You're watching Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Remember, your bank account isn't a grade, it's a tool. Use it wisely, and you'll graduate not just with a degree, but with confidence. See you in the next one.